Hello, you're looking at a Fleetwood Gearbox. It's about 35 feet, I'll say exactly in the listing, that has had some of the skin come off the outside. So you can see by the crinkle on the front, there was a little bit of delamination, and the last time it got driven, it was a very windy day, and a piece of the skin came off. So that's how we're selling it, and somebody's going to get a heck of a buy here because this is a very expensive unit. It's nice and clean inside, but it needs some repair. It does have a generator, which I have running right now, and that generator started right up, and I'd say it's been sitting for 3 months since the last time it was started right up. Runs nice and quiet. On the inside, it's not bad at all. So probably what needs to be done is some of that wood repaired and the skin put on. Now, I had a verbal estimate from a guy of about $2,000 to fix this. I don't know if that's high or low. I'm not going to get involved with the repair. It's up to the buyer, and because of that, you're going to get a great buy on this. Sold no reserves, so the top bidder will get it. So you can hear again that got an Onan Marquee 5500. You're running like a sewing machine. Does not have the LP bottles. It has been totally winterized. It's the battery for the generator. The water heater. Has an let's see. Oh, that's the connection for the air compressor. Has an exterior air compressor, nice for blowing up your tires. I can't get too close. Let's see, I think the bottle is here on this side. Nope, no bottle on either side. The awning has some peeling on the exterior. I just had a discussion with somebody about taping it up, getting another year out of it. The fabric itself is about $200, and you have to put it in yourself. It fits in a groove, slides in there. Now, as it opens up well, I'm going to show you on the inside. Boy, it's close to that BMW there. There's a little bit of delam going on in the back where it was wet on the wall, and I'll show you that when I get in there. If you wanted a toy hauler at a cheap price, this will be the one for you. It's a little dark in here because the blinds are closed. Let me open them up. Sorry for the long video here, but there's a lot to talk about. So you can see this bed hanging a little funny. Where it was screwed into the wall on the other side, it must have been a little soft, so that pulled out. And when I moved the bed, so I didn't want to break anything. I left it where it is, and it will need to be reattached on the corner. The floor is solid. It's got a carpet for back here. This folds up into a dinette and a sofa, or folds down for sleeping. It's got a TV, CD player, of course RV refrigerator freezer that looks like it's never used. Stove looks like it's never used, which we always use ours outside to keep the odors down, and there's no odor inside. Ice maker, microwave, still has the stickers on it from new. Here's the generator controls, 157 hours. Quarter tank of fuel, gasoline, the keys, the books. Just a very nice looking camper. Now inside, you can't really see, you can see a little bit of light through that corner, but there's no odor or smell of any mildew or anything like that. It's going to need to be wiped down, vacuumed, but other than that, she looks real good. Nice big stand-up shower, sink and all, and then the toilet area. So that's the story. Comes with a clear title, no salvage history or anything like that. So if you're looking for a toy hauler, again at a cheap price, you can fix that corner in the back where that bed connects. You'll get a very good looking trailer camper at a cheap price. So it's located in Manchester, Pennsylvania. You will have to come to our office in Frankfort, Delaware, which is near Ocean City, Maryland, because that's where our dealership is, to do the paperwork. And then we can come up here and pick it up after that. If you want to use a hauler, I can get the guys in the cleanup shop here where it is to tape up the corner. I can't guarantee anything, but I can if you want to get it shipped. And if you're looking at shipping, look at the website uship.com. It's the letter U and ship.com. You'll get your best deal there for shipping. You'll need a $250 deposit at the end of the auction, and then the balance is due within 7 days. Now you don't have to pick it up for 20 days or so, but the balance of the payment is due within 7 days. When it does leave, we're able to put a 60-day temporary license tag on it for it to go back or move around once you get it home. And that's a story. So buy this Fleetwood Gearbox, fix it, have a nice vehicle with a generator, and save some money.